If you want to back up your Samsung device, here are a couple ways of doing this. So you can do this through your temporary cloud backup, through your Samsung Cloud, and through your Google. So to do that, let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to our backup tab, accounts and backup, and choose your backup variant. So you can bring data from all device if you already did it on your last phone, right? You can do this via Samsung Cloud and via Google Drive. So let's go through each of them. So now choose your Samsung Cloud, press backup now, and give your phone a couple minutes to do that. More content you have saved on your phone, more time will the backup take. Press done. And basically now you're backed up, and if you press restore data, you will be prompted to log in into your Samsung Cloud if you didn't already did, and here is your backups which you can use. The second variant is through your Google Drive, so basically the same. Press backup data. Here you can see what you want to backup. Now press backup now. Confirm your choice by pressing backup now. Give it some time to do that. It takes quite a while, once again, depending on the content saved on your phone. But once it's complete, you can always log in to your Google account, and there, if you log in into your Google account, you will press restore backup, and all your data will be within you. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.